Blackened cod is so flavorful and it comes together very quickly. The cod fillets are seasoned and seared to perfection, and combined with that lemon butter sauce, it's unbelievably delicious. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna get started on our seasoning. We have some very basic ingredients here. I have some smoked paprika. You want to use smoked paprika in this recipe and not regular, because it's going to give it that nice smoky flavor. So I added 2 teaspoons of the smoked paprika. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and then going in with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Who doesn't have garlic powder in their pantry? And then 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Who doesn't have onion powder in their pantry? If you don't have it, you should get it, because I use them in a lot of my recipes, a lot of my seasonings. And then last but not least, I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. I'm only going to add half a teaspoon. It's not going to be too spicy. I don't want this to be too spicy because my son is actually going to eat this for dinner. But if you want it more spicier, definitely add more cayenne pepper. And then I'm just going to mix until everything's combined. All right, let's go ahead and season up our cod. All right, so here I have 1.5 pounds of wild caught cod that's been divided into chunks. I like to use cod, well, this is called blackened cod, but you can use whatever fish you like. I've also done this with salmon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and season it with some salt, pepper, and the seasoning that we made earlier. Some pepper. And let's go ahead and sprinkle some of the seasoning. Like I mentioned earlier, this seasoning on the fish combined with that lemon butter sauce, it's gonna be so tasty. My dad actually came over when I was testing out this recipe, and he hadn't had dinner, so I fixed him a plate, and he totally just scarfed it all down. He told me it was one of the best meals that he had. I don't know if he was really, really hungry or it really was. I'm gonna think it's one of the best meals he's had, because he does love fish, and he loves like lemon garlicky butter sauce. All right, let's go ahead and season up the other side. We are supposed to be getting a ton of rain this week, so that means my kids will be indoors all week. We call it rainy day weather here at home, because normally they go out and they play sports, but all their sports are outdoors, so everything's going to be canceled. So we are gonna be snuggling in and having this for dinner. All right, so now that our cod is perfectly seasoned, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the rest of the ingredients that we're gonna be needing for the recipe. For our lemon butter sauce, we are also going to be needing some minced garlic. I have 5 cloves of minced garlic. This recipe really screams for a lot of garlic because it's just so delicious in that lemon butter sauce. I have 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then for the butter, we're gonna use about 5 tablespoons. It's just gonna be so delicious. We're also gonna add some water to make the sauce, but the sauce is so delicious. When I did serve this to my dad, he kept going back to the pan and scooping more sauce over his cod and rice because it was so good, but I'm really excited to show you guys this recipe. Okay, let's head over to the stove. All right, so first things first, you wanna get your pan really hot. I've been heating it over medium-high heat. And if you have a cast iron skillet, go ahead and break it out, because that's perfect for searing up our fish. Okay, so our pan is very hot. I'm gonna go ahead and just add in our cod. So depending on the thickness, you wanna cook your cod until it's completely cooked through. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. So I do have a thinner piece. This part is thinner. This part's a little bit more thicker. I might flip this piece before the others. Just keep an eye. All right, so it's been about 3 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a head start, just because, like I said, it's a little bit thinner. Okay, you wanna be careful not to break up the fish. So be ever so gentle. Ooh, perfect, nice and blackened. Go ahead and flip our last and thickest piece. Perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and remove our thinner pieces. Make sure to use a spatula so you don't break it up. All right, so let's grab our final piece. All right, so over medium heat, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter. Last time I did add 5 when I tested it out, but I did have more fish. So I have less fish this time, so we're just gonna use 4 tablespoons of butter. Now that the butter has melted, I'm going to add the minced garlic, and we'll let this cook down for about 30 seconds to get nice and fragrant. And I'm going to add some water. I'm gonna add 2/3 cup of water, so that was 1/3 of a cup, so here's another third. Going to add some lemon juice, 3 tablespoons. And I'm also going to add another teaspoon of smoked paprika, more flavor and beautiful color. Some salt and pepper. And we'll cook this down for about 2 minutes to get it nice and reduced. And I'm keeping the heat on medium. And there you guys have it, blackened cod. All right, you guys, it is a moment of truth. It is time for the taste test. And like I mentioned earlier, I am going to serve this over rice. I'm probably gonna roast some broccoli as well, but I'm sure this would be delicious over some mashed potatoes. Okay, let's give this a try. I'm just gonna go straight into the pan here. Just my family and I having this for dinner. All right, cheers, you guys. The cod is perfectly cooked, and that seasoning combined with the garlic and the lemon and the butter, it's just a flavor bomb. And it really is a very simple dish made with simple ingredients and very minimal prep work. If you're looking to add more fish into your meal rotation, definitely give this a try. I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. Anyways, thank you for spending time with me in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys make this recipe. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. That will definitely help me out. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.